Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G, come back at you one more again. In this video, I want to talk to you about how to utilize multiple drives on your computer. This means that if you have more than one drive installed in your computer, you can use another drive or drives for storage. Your computer may already have more than one drive installed, and if it does, you are already set to use that drive in any manner you see fit. I'll show where you can find out if you already have more than one drive installed in your computer. You can have one drive be used for documents and another drive be used for music or pictures. In any way, this can be a backup process. The more drives you have installed in your computer, the more you can customize where files are placed or stored. Now, you do not have to have more than one drive in order to separate files, but it makes it more easier to locate that special or important file you just saved or are searching for. First off, you can choose any drive to add to your computer. This could be a hard disk drive, SATA SSD drive, or NVMe drive. You can even add an external storage, which comes in both hard disk and SATA SSD drive, or even use flash or thumb drives. But whichever you choose, among some of the differences is reliability and storage space. Hard disk drives are slower than SSD SATA drives and NVMe drives, but they offer the most storage space. Hard disk drives also have a tendency to fail sooner than SATA SSDs or NVMe drives. As mentioned earlier, here's how to find out if your computer has another drive installed. This step works for either Windows 10 or Windows 11. Down at the taskbar, click on the File Explorer icon. Then click on this PC on the left side pane. And here, if you see any other drives than the C drive, then you have a secondary drive installed, whether it's a DVD-RW drive or any other storage drive. If you have a DVD drive installed, then you can store files only on a DVD disc. You have to use a DVD burning software that should already be installed on your computer if you bought a Dell, HP, or other store-bought brand. In this example, there are multiple drives installed on this computer, and the drives are arranged so that it's easier to find what one is searching for. Documents, music, pictures, video, and storage all have their own drive. Most computers will not have this many drives installed, but this is just to show you how you can have another drive installed. You may have also noticed that the drives have customized names and matching drive letters. In another video, I'll show how you can rename these drives and drive letters so it's easier to find where your saved files or folders are located. So I hope this video helps you guys out. You all take care, be safe, and peace out.